Alright guys, here's that compressor video, shall we? It's making a bit of noise. Oh, it's stopping. Mommy, you hear it? I love you. Hey mommy, why don't you come tell these introduce those nice guys that work there to tell me that I love compressors. Alright. These are really good ones right there. I think we should get one of those. I know my dad talked to me like that. I like this one because I like the digital display. I don't know, is it adjustable? I think you have to use the I think it may be locked, so nobody can tamper with it. That's really cool. You can show. Yeah, you know that you've been talking to me about getting my own true compressor. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one has a lot of features. I like the lights, and I like the digital display, and I like the sound. It makes me relaxing. But I don't know why the fan is stopped. It shouldn't be stopped. Yep. Well, that's a nice compressor right there. Yep. You hear the fan is stopping and the fan just cut back on? I know. I'm just gonna give them a nice talk about getting my own compressor.